Hello, I'm Sir Kim, your math teacher. Are you ready for this week's lesson? At the end of this week, you'll be able to visualize numbers up to 100,000 with emphasis on numbers 1 to 100,000. Gives the place value and value of a digit in number up to 100,000. Reads and writes numbers in symbols and in words up to 100,000 and compare them using relation symbol. This topic is all about visualize number up to 100,000 with emphasis on numbers. There are many ways to understand and visualize how big the number is. Using the representation of blocks, charts, tables, and disks, we can be able to understand the numbers. For our first learning task, based on this picture, answer the given questions. Write your answers on your paper. Remember, you cannot write anything on your modules. One way to visualize how big the number is by using representation of number disks. Look at this example. There are 3 10,000s, 4 1,000s, 5 100s, 6 10s, and 9 1s. It can be expressed as 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 9. It is called the expanded form, or it is read as 30,569. Another way to visualize how big the number is by using blocks and grids. Look at this example. There are 1 10,000s, 2 1,000s, 3 100s, 4 10s, and 9 1s. The place value of 1 is in the 10,000s place, which is a value of 10,000. The place value of 2 is in the thousands place, which is a value of 2,000. The place value of 3 is in the hundreds place, which is a value of 300. The place value of 4 is in the tens place, which is a value of 40. And the place value of 9 is in the ones place and has a value of 9. It can be expressed as 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 9, the expanded form, or read as 12,349. How important zero number in the place value? The digit 0 is an important placeholder in a number. For example, in the number 89,056, with the place of 0, the value of 9 is 9,000. Without the place of 0, the number becomes 8,956, which means the value of 9 will be 900, and the number is read as 8,956. These numbers are now different. Let us try to compare 89,056 and 8,956. Which do you think is bigger? In comparing a number, we started to compare from the highest place value of each digit, starting from the left. The value of 8 in 89,056 is 80,000, while the value of 8 in 8,956 is 8,000. Thus, 89,056 is greater than 8,956. For our second learning task, use number disks to show how the following numbers. Write your answer on your paper. For our third learning task, draw number disks on your notebooks to show or represent the following numbers below. Here is an example. I have here 12,371. So I will draw 1 10,000s, 2 1,000s, 3 100s, 7 10s, and 1, 1. For our next learning tasks, answer the given questions. Write your answers on your notebook. Learning task number 5. Complete the table below. Give the place value of 4 in each of the numeral and the value of 4 on each. Write your answers on your paper. Here is an example. I have here 45,611. The place value of 4 is 10,000 and the value of 4 is 40,000. Learning task number 6. Write the expanded form of the following numbers on your paper. Here is an example. 45,611, 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 600 plus 10 plus 1. Learning task number 7. Write the following number words in figures or in symbols. Write your answers on your paper. Here is an example of this. 45,611, and the answer would be this. Next learning task. Write the following number in words in your notebook. Here is an example of this. You will write 45,611. To visualize and represent numbers up to 100,000, we have to separate or group by 10,000, 1,000s, hundreds, tens, and ones of a number. One way to represent the number is using discs and blocks. The value of a digit is determined by the place value it occupies. The place value of a digit in numbers up to 100,000 is based on the place value chart starting from the right ones: tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. In reading a number, always begin with the digits in the first period on the left and say the period where the digits are. Then say only the digits in the units period. In writing a number in symbol, the digits are separated by comma or spaces in groups of 3 called periods starting from the right. For our final learning task, write the letter of the correct answer on your notebook. That's all for this week. I hope you understood our lesson. See you next week.